The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 7. This is Program 16. Lesson topic, How much blood is there in our body?
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Where are Hawa and Obang this time? There they are. Obang, Hawa.
I've got a cut on my finger.
Obang, you are bleeding too much. Hi, Hawa and Obang. What's wrong? What's that?
Ubang has got a cut on his finger. He's bleeding.
Oh. You shouldn't drop your blood like that, Ubang. We should stop, Hawa. Here I have got a plaster. Please, help me. Now, you'll be all right, Ubang.
Okay. I'm all right now.
You see, Hawa and Obang, whenever you got a cut, you should stop bleeding. You know, we need much blood for our body.
How much blood do we need, Leah?
You know, there are about 5 liters of blood in our body.
5 liters?
Yes, 5 liters of blood. Students, how much blood is there in our body? Hawa, how much blood is there in our body?
There are 5 liters of blood.
Students, say, there are 5 liters of blood in our body. Students, say again, there are 5 liters of blood in our body. Students, now ask that question. Say, how much blood is there in our body? Students, ask again that question. Say, how much blood is there in our body? That's good, students. Hawa, what has Obang got?
He has got a cut.
Students, what has Obang got? Students, please say, he has got a cut. Hawa, where has Obang got a cut?
On his finger.
Students, where has Obang got a cut? Students, say, he has got a cut on his finger.
You said we need much blood for our body, Leah. Why do we need blood?
Oh, blood has different jobs, Hawa.
What does it do, Leah?
It carries oxygen and food to cells. It also fights diseases and repairs cuts.
It carries oxygen and food to cells?
Yes. Students, what does blood do to cells? Obang, what does blood do to cells?
It carries oxygen and food to cells.
Students, say, it carries oxygen and food to cells. Students, say again, it carries oxygen and food to cells.
But how does blood carry oxygen and food to cells, Leah?
You see, blood goes round our body about 1,000 times a day.
About 1,000 times a day?
Yes. Students, how many times does blood go around our body a day? Hawa?
About 1,000 times.
Right. Students, say, about 1,000 times a day. Students, say again, about 1,000 times a day.
How does blood go around our body, Leah?
Blood goes round our body in blood vessels.
What are blood vessels?
Vessels are small tubes which can carry blood or other liquid through our body.
So blood goes around our body in blood vessels?
That's right. Students, how does blood go around our body? Hawa?
In blood vessels.
Students, how does blood go around our body? In blood vessels. Good. Students, now ask the question. Say, how does blood go around our body? Students, say again, how does blood go around our body?
I didn't understand what blood vessels are. Could you explain it for me again, please?
What a lovely question. Let students repeat your question. Students, repeat Hawa's question. Say, could you explain it again, please? Students, repeat the question. Could you explain it for me again, please? That's good, students. Your question was about blood vessels, Hawa?
Yes.
I said blood vessels are small tubes which carry blood or other liquids through our body. Arteries and veins are vessels. For example, arteries carry blood containing oxygen away from the heart, and veins take blood containing carbon dioxide back to the heart.
Arteries carry blood containing oxygen away from heart, and veins take blood containing carbon dioxide back to heart.
That's right, Hawa. Students, now tell your teacher how blood goes around our body. Teacher, please ask your students one by one how blood goes around our body. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Obang, which vessel transports blood away from the heart, artery or vein?
Artery.
Artery. That's right, Obang. Students, now, does vein transport blood containing oxygen or carbon dioxide? Hawa, does vein transport blood containing oxygen or carbon dioxide?
Vein transports blood containing carbon dioxide.
Right. Students, say, vein transports blood containing carbon dioxide. Students, say it again. Say, Vein transports blood containing carbon dioxide. That's very good, everyone. But one more question. Does vein carry blood back to the heart or away from the heart? Does vein carry blood back to the heart or away from the heart? Obank?
Vein carries blood back to the heart.
Right. Vein carries blood back to the heart. Students, say, vein carries blood back to the heart. Students, say again, vein carries blood back to the heart. That's good, students. Students, now let's exercise pronouncing some words which have less ending sound. I read you a word and you add less sound at the end of the word and read it. Listen to the example. Harm, harm.
Harmless.
That's right, harmless. Use, use.
Useless.
Right you are, useless. Care, care.
Careless.
That's right, careless. Hope, hope.
Hopeless.
Good, hopeless. Now, students, listen and do in the same way. Add the sound less at the end and read the word. First, you try and then repeat the whole word after me. Ready, everyone? Taste, taste. Tasteless, tasteless. Seed, seed. Seedless, seedless. Home, home. Harmless, harmless. Color, color. Colorless, colorless. Manner, manner. Mannerless, mannerless. Mind, mind. Mindless, mindless. That's good, students. Let's do the exercise again. Listen and say the words. Taste, tasteless. Seed, seedless. Home, harmless. Color, colorless. Manner, mannerless. Mind, mindless. Students, I hope you've said those words correctly. Now, I think it's time to go, Hawa and Obank.
Yes, it's time to go.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
That was English for Grade 7 from the Ethiopian Educational Media Agency. Join us again next week in Program 17. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.